In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Canva presentation as a PPT. Now, once you've got everything designed and you want to download, we simply come to Share just here in the right-hand corner. We're then going to come to Download, and then from this File Type drop-down menu, we want to click on here, then we can choose PPTX. Now, as we can see, right under it says Microsoft PowerPoint document. So if we click on there, we can now choose all of the pages that we want to download. Now, more than likely, we're going to want to select all. So we click Done, and then all we have to do is click Download, and then we have the PPTX version just here of our presentation. So as you can see, it's really simple to download a Canva presentation as a PPT. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.